guys, what is up? My name is Luigi, and today we are going to be playing Weegee's YouTube Poop School. So anyways, let's get started. Oh, Weegee! Oh, I love this mod. Oh, Weegee. Oh. Oh. Memes. Dot, dot, dot. Alright, Weegee just put the dots. Alright. So far, this looks pretty good. Spaghetti! Spaghetti! Oh, Weegee is mad. You're the principal. Weegee! Weegee is coming. You're the principal whistling a lot. Spaghetti! Oh, Luigi! Oh yeah. I hope she made lots of spaghetti. Mama Luigi! Oh my god, I love this! A pair of socks? Right? Alright, let's go. Weegee!
Today I will teach you how to complete the club pegging membership player. You must act first.
I like the canned spaghetti. Weegee. Come closer, Weegee. Why is the poop steaming? That's disgusting. It's disgusting. It's disgusting to see poop steaming. Dot, dot, dot. Weegee, I was putting the dots. Trollface! Trollface is the bully! Trollface! Oh, Weegee's coming. Oh my god. Stupid TV is art. Oh, principal! The king! Oh my god, the king is like, my boy. Oh my god, that is so cool. I like this mod. So far, like, was that the Arts and Crafters? That floating Mario head. Okay. Oh, the king. Weegee, Weegee, Weegee. Oh, the no YouTube icon, which is like the playtime. Oh my god! Stop with the steaming poop! That's disgusting! Oh my god, Weegee's coming. Push Weegee away. Okay, good thing we have the safety scissors. Weegee is coming. Don't look at the arts and crafters, this is a floating Mario head. The king! I see Weegee. Okay, this is up trophies. Okay, we're gonna do it. Come on! Come on! Weegee! Okay, we did it. Come on. Did it crash again? No! It crashed! Every time! It almost crashes. Why? I finished it. Why does it always crash every time? Well, we'll see. I did it! Let's go! Let's go! Alright, anyways, guys, hope you guys liked this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.